Hi, this is Mayor Pete Hess in Naugatuck, Connecticut. I'm here to explain and point out a whole bunch of things on our Google Earth flyover of our project. We're going to start the flyover, and we're going to go from a north to south direction along the river, along the railroad tracks, and I will point everything out. As you're watching the flyover, you can also take a look at Exhibit 1, which is a map of the downtown areas. So as we look at the map, in the northernmost point, we're going to start at Parcel D, which is our existing, well, right now it's a restaurant, but we're now hovering over it right next to the river. It's our former train station, which has already been converted into a first-class restaurant where our existing train platform that is going to be relocated exists. As we continue to head south down the river, you can see the river, the railroad tracks, and we're approaching Parcel C and the Whittemore Bridge, which is clearly shown across the river. As we begin to head further south, heading along the river and the railroad tracks, we see the beginning of Parcel B. We also see the area on the left where our future greenway will be extended to, which will be right along the river on the east side of the river, all along Parcel B, which is the wide open area that you're now looking at, which is the focus of this RFP. So as we continue to head south, and we're approaching the large building, that is Parcel A, that's the Naugatuck Event Center. We currently use it for all types of large events, car shows, and we have a whole host of other commercial uses in there. This will be a future phase of the project where what we will do is we'll again be looking for a future mixed-use project with parking on the next two parcels, which are shown on the map as parcels Y and Z, which you can see really on both sides of the bridge. Also, as we move forward on the east, you see two ball fields, which we are relocating to other spots in the borough. Those ball fields are along the greenway and will become, in the future, part of our downtown project, and we will be connecting the east side of the river to the downtown section to create even more vibrancy in the downtown area. So again, directly across from the ball fields is Parcel Z. Now, as we head further on, we're now entering what we call was the former site of the Uniroyal Chemical Company, 86.5 acres, which we talk about in Section 6. We're going to be building either an industrial park with about 5 pad sites, or the inland port of Naugatuck, which will be a freight project that will provide north-south and south-north solutions for freight rail customers with international customs and connections directly to, not by train, but New York City, Newark, up to Montreal. Those areas will be connected by a freight line, and we're working on that project, and we won't know about it until I'll say a year into the future. But in the meantime, we're going to proceed with the construction and the roadway, and we're moving forward on this project.
That's it. because I cut him off.